Hello, I'm Seidaly Duisebaiuly. I'm the 7th degrees expert of Google Maps. Now I'm writing a blog for Kazakh-language, ideas about tourism, local history, ecology, and nature protection in Shymkent city and Turkestan region, and introduce them on Kaznet. The reason of why I came to Google Maps is to introduce our region. I prefer to share with the information of cultural, historical, public nutrition, tourist facilities to complete existing facilities and to implement missing objects for all passengers. Especially I like the shining of tulips in spring. Greig, Albert Regel's tulip are beautiful in the streets of Shymkent. I want to take part in a local experts meeting in California and share experiences. I would be glad if I had the opportunity and would go to the United States of America for a meeting. Thank you for your attention.